Wow, man. Oh, man. I really like your artwork. There's a lot of great stuff in here. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man. I really appreciate that. But, dude, how come nobody has hands? What? Oh, well, yeah, hands can be tough, and yeah, those were really just sketches I did for fun. Are you a real artist? You don't even draw hands! What's up, and welcome to Troy Draws Things. Let's talk about what's probably the toughest thing to learn to draw. That is, of course, hands. Now, everybody's got them, but how do you draw them? How many times have you sat down to do a drawing and you've got everything looking really good, but when you get to drawing the hands, you just decide to hide them behind a back or in pockets, or maybe you just don't even draw them at all. You just let the arm end in nothingness. Well, I'd like to help you solve that problem today with a method that I call the Jim Lee method of drawing hands. It's a super simple technique I learned from the comic artist Jim Lee, and I know it helped me a lot, and I think it can help you. So let's do it. In this method, everything is built around the shape of a pentagon. You know, the five-sided shape looks like this, essentially. But in this method, we are going to make our pentagon with a bit of an offset apex. And using that, we can just draw a couple balls like this to indicate the thumb. Connect those like that. Got your thumb. Off to a nice start already. And then draw the four knuckles for the fingers like that. Easily build up first segment of the fingers like that. From this point, it's easier to draw the tips of the fingers and then connect it back with the rest of the hand. Draw the tips a little bit further out. And then connect it thusly. Alright, super basic hand. Start with the pentagon. Big circle, small circle, just a little bit away. Got our knuckles there. First segment of each finger. Tips of the fingers. And then connecting them thusly. If you draw a little bit of a slight curve inward on the fingers, helps kind of sell with their fingers, and then have this joint here stick out a little bit. And you can draw little knuckle marks there. Come in here and draw the knuckles on the fingers. Got our hand here. This can kind of be the ball for the arm. Say it's coming out this way. And then again. Give a little bit more expression to those fingers. And then place our tips. And I'm going to curve these a little bit more. Put these out like that, and I can just connect. build another layer on top of that. Bring down the opacity a bit. And go back in there. This guy come down just a little bit, maybe widen that. There we go. And we got a hand. It's a nice simple method, but like anything, it's going to take a lot of practice to get really good at it. And that is today's lesson. Hope that helps you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content and want to see more, be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.